Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a short video on furnace filters. A lot of homeowners and first-time buyers don't realize they have to change the filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on which one they buy and how often they're using it. The people that own this house said they never changed the filter in 14 years. Imagine how it's going to look. Ugh. The filter can eventually become clogged, so the air can't pass through it, which can cause the furnace to overheat and possibly catch on fire. You know, it's not that hard to change the filter, and each furnace is different. You just need to look in your manual to see how to gain access to it. First, you want to make sure the power's off. And this one's pretty simple to get into. I just take off the front panel. I pulled it up and it came right off. Next, I'm going to turn this knob and pull the door off. And this one has filters on both sides, so I'm going to take both of these doors off. There we go. You can see there's one filter there and one on the other side. Now I'm going to put a mask on because, as you can imagine, there's 14 years of dust on those things. And I don't want to breathe that in. Here we go. All right. Wow, look at that sucker. 14 years of dust. Look at that. That's crazy. They're lucky this didn't catch on fire. Wow, that one's just as bad. Sheesh. How does air even get through that? Look how bad this thing was compared to a brand new one. This filter is one of the better ones out. It costs about $15 and lasts up to 3 months. Usually it has the size written on the side and the direction of airflow. This one came with a sticker you can write the date on, or you can just write it on the filter. All right, let's put our little sticker on our filter. That way we're sure it's changed on time. So I'm going to put it with the arrow on the frame pointing towards the blower motor. Here we go. Brand spanking new ones coming in. All right. Now the next one. These ones are a little harder to get in because they go in way up here. Some of them are easier because they just go on the side right there. Too bad this isn't one of those. All right, here we go. You gotta work it around. There. Whew. Now I'm gonna put my doors back on. All right. And it's that easy. That's it. It's pretty simple. And now you know why you need to change out your filter at least every 3 months when you're using your heater. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Bye.